What's up, guys? More updates about the storm becoming a hurricane Ernesto, whatever it is. We're gonna speak English and Portuguese and a little bit of Spanish. So everything is fine. It's almost 5 p.m. in St. Croix and the ocean is stable. Okay, the winds are cooling breeze, but never ever play with hurricanes, okay, because it can turn out really bad. So I hope all the islands, all the people in anywhere or around the entire region, they are safe. But for now, we're good. And more thing, if you want to follow not only hurricanes but DIY shipping container in the Caribbean beachfront, I'm building my house here in the Caribbean, and we are doing a beautiful project, off-grid, cheap, nice. Follow us to find out how to have a house like this that can withstand hurricanes. Bye!